Sony LinkBuds. Features. The Ring driver will dominate many conversations about the Sony LinkBuds, but the brains of the operation, including the DAC and an amplifier, sit in the main domed section. The WF-L900 used the same integrated V1 processor that you can find in Sony's award-winning WF-1000XM4. They also call upon Sony's Z digital sound enhancement engine technology to help restore high-frequency sounds lost in compressed digital audio files. Sony has focused heavily on call quality for the LinkBuds, too. They feature something called Clear Call with AI, a noise reduction system designed to reduce outside interference. And call quality is a real highlight here. Your voice sounds clear and focused, and the tech combines with the built-in mics to make it easy for the person on the other end of the line to hear what you're saying. Speak to chat is one feature that's made it across. For example, it automatically stops the music when you start talking and resumes it when you stop. You can adjust sensitivity in the app so the tech doesn't get caught out by random voices or coughs and cause any unwanted pauses. Some might find it useful, although there is a slight delay between you talking and the tech jumping into action. Alternatively, you just remove an earbud to pause playback. Now, one of the knock-on effects of trying to keep the LinkBuds and their charging case as small and as lightweight as possible is the limited size of batteries that can be used. Consequently, you can expect a pretty ordinary 5.5 hours per charge, with the case, which doesn't offer wireless charging, providing backup with an extra 12 hours. It's not exactly the 8 or 9 hours we'd like from a pair at this price, but for most people in most circumstances, unless you're perhaps on a long-haul flight, it should be adequate. If you're wondering whether the Sony LinkBuds make for a good pair of running headphones, they do come with an IPX4 rating, meaning they should be resistant to water splashes from any direction. There's also compatibility with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa voice assistants, and Fast Pair for Android and Swift Pair for Windows to help speed up connectivity. Sound. With a different style of wireless earbud design comes a different flavor of sound. And you'll need to take this into account when you first fire up the Sony LinkBuds. Outside noise has more of an influence. You don't get the same sense of isolation as you do from more traditional in-ear designs. Initially, low frequencies seem to lack a bit of weight and solidity compared to more common designs. The more you listen, though, the more you realize there is actually enough bass on offer to keep you interested, even if some rivals offer more. More importantly, the Sonys still maintain a fine sense of balance. Mids and highs don't stick out, and you don't feel shortchanged by the compromises you have to make. One big benefit of the Ring driver and this more open design is you're treated to a huge, spacious sound that's a real highlight and very different from anything you'll have heard from more intrusive in-ear designs. Verdict. So there you have it. The Sony LinkBuds are wireless earbuds for people who don't like, wireless earbuds. Their design is an interesting one that gets around a lot of the problems that conventional in-ears can present. They're not perfect from a sound quality point of view, but overall there's still a lot to like, and we're really excited to see where Sony takes the idea in the future. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this